I'm not going to buy a PS5 this December 2026 because it's very expensive. Wait only for PS6. You know, like I remember Jens Manaid during his birthday in 2015. I mentioned I was with Teacher May's class. I was asked by Jens he wants to buy PS4. It's very expensive because Jens has a PS3 because his dad told me. Oh, I asked Jens, wait for PS5. Oh, at least I'm not Jens Manaid's attitude because I know what I realize. I'm not the same attitude. Oh, just wait for PS6. It will be happen very soon. And I told to Mark Cruz, and not only Mark Cruz, I told to Franco Morales, Franco, my friend. Um, just wait for PS6. It's too much expensive. And I guess it's very expensive. It's too much expensive. Totally. As I'm a blogger, I said that I never want to buy a PS5. Oh. Because look at Bill Galang. Oh, he never want to buy PS5. Oh, it's very expensive. Oh. Because Bill is busy in his blog. Oh. And he was studying at Santo Rosario Sped School. Oh, he was still studying. But me, I was stopped studying in CDIFI. I start my content creator as a blogger compared to Mark Cruz and compared to um, Kevin Suarez. I have to wait for PS6 because it's too much expensive. Because I know the PS5 is expensive. Oh, it's better to ask Matthew C. and Ronald Rebena and even my other friends in in my old school. Oh, in CDIFI, even JD Biniegas, even my other friends. So if I said very expensive, expensive, do not insist. Because right now, wait for next year. 2027, next year, there will be PS6. So, just wait. Because I was requested by Tito Mac and, and Larry Chuanico to buy, what is it? The Russian Spetsnaz, Vesda, or Ayoshima Snap Kit. That was a Toyota 86, favorite of Mark Domingo Cruz. That will be my part of my collection. I say again, just wait for PS5. Wait for only for PS6. If I before I buy PS5 because it's very expensive. When I was told by Roylan Marlang, oh, very expensive. Oh, sobrang mahal. Oh, because Roylan Marlang and even my parents, they told me, even my mom, even my dad, very expensive. And my announcement anyway, I'm not going to buy PS5 in this December. Maybe next year, if the PS6 release. For me, I want to get Zvezda or Russian Spetsnaz. So I want to get Toyota 86. So favorite of Mark Cruz. So that Ayushima Snap Kit. Oh, I'm okay with model cars and toy soldiers. Because me, I always bring back the 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 hobby of Mark Cruz o the hobby of Kuya Mike Labitag o just wait for only that PS6, very expensive. Look at Lawrence Villawan. He has PS4. Oh, even when he make lots of jokes, he has PS4. Absolutely. Lawrence Villawan has PS4 and he make me a joke. Oh. Because Lawrence Villawan making a joke, that means bola-bola lang. Oh, he said that he wants to get PS4. Oh, he has PS4. I always open talk with Lawrence Villawan, Messenger only, Facebook. Oh, he has a PS4. But for him, he never want to buy PS5. He said to me, very expensive. Oh, because I know I rejected Manuel Luis Antonio, Franco Morales, JD Vinegas, or Olo Conrad. I say to them, wait for PS6 before I'm going to buy the PS5. By next year, by next Christmas in 2026. Because in Christmas gift, I will get my Zvezda Russian Spetsnaz and a Yushima Snap Kit in Christmas. Because I said again, by Christmas, it's really coming Christmas. It's not yet Christmas yet. Just learn how to wait. I told to everyone, just wait for PS6. I said it before I going to buy PS5. Just learn how to wait. Patience is virtuous, learning how to wait.